you're experiencing verification issues on Xbox after multiple failed attempts, follow these steps to resolve the problem. This guide will help you regain access to your account. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your Xbox is connected to the internet. A stable connection is crucial for verification processes. You can test your connection in the settings menu. Step 2. Restart your Xbox. Power off your Xbox completely and unplug it for a few minutes. Then plug it back in and turn it on. This can help clear temporary issues that may be causing the verification problem. Step 3. Verify your account information. Go to the Xbox account settings and check that your email address and phone number are correct. If there are any discrepancies, update your information to ensure you receive verification codes. Step 4. Request a new verification code. If you are prompted for a verification code, select the option to resend the code. Make sure to check your email and SMS for the new code. Enter it promptly to avoid further issues. Step 5. Contact Xbox support. If you continue to experience verification issues, reach out to Xbox support for assistance. They can help you troubleshoot the problem and provide specific solutions based on your account status. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve verification issues on your Xbox. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek further help from support.